morning, guys. At the moment, we are here in Brisbane. Yeah. What's the name? Chad. Chad is going to buy a new laptop here in JB Hi-Fi. This is what Chad took. It costs $449, but he got the discount of $49. Not bad. Here in Gold Coast, we're waiting for John in this hotel. Very cold, I mean very windy. Lumalabas na ulo doon sa ano.
Nakita ka daw niya eh. Nakita ka daw niya.
May lumalabas na ulo doon sa
Si Robin di mo sama? Si Robin di mo kasama mo, naglalutan ka.
Oo nga. We are here in food court. I don't know exactly. I was surprised to read this. Ito, Filipino. You know, if I'm with them, they always goes inside the brand like this, Coach, Armani, and other expensive things. Yeah, which I don't really, not a big fan. I got the most expensive sunglass in the world. It is become expensive because I'm wearing it. $200, $150, $50.
Pero yung kanya pangbaha, multi-purpose yung sa kanya.
Oo.
Tag-ulan.
Ba't ganyan? Ba't sobrang laki?
Biglang dumapo to sa building na to, hindi no, sa hotel. Wala na, baliktad. Malim na. Halbat.
Birthday, happy birthday to you. Good morning, guys. This is the second time that we are here in this 8th Street, and we are again eating in this Filipino restaurant. No, Filipino outlet here. Yeah, this time we're going to have this banana cue. Good afternoon, guys. Yeah, at the moment we are here in the street of Dakabin. Dakabin is a town here in Queensland. This is where Ronald is living. When you look at this place, looks like a newly developed town. Most of the houses, most of the buildings are just looks new. They're actually like a subdivision when you look at it. This place is actually around 30 minutes to Brisbane Central Business District. And if you are living in this area, I would say that bike or electric bike is the best thing for, you know, the best way to roam around. Yeah, because like this they have a very wide bike lane, and we are now entering the, you know, the commercial area, shopping center area of North Lakes. And you see them kids, a lot of kids. This is like a daycare center, and then this one is aged care facilities. Yeah, when you grow old, you will stay here. You will notice that there's not so much people around here, but they're actually in their car. There are more cars here than people, so it means every car at least there is one person inside it. They also have a big shopping center here in North Lakes. They have a Wishfield, but you know, aside from that, they have other independent shopping center around the area. There is a IKEA, Meyer, Big W, Target, Kmart, Woolworths, Coles, and others.
Subscribe to his channel. I forgot what it was called, but subscribe to his channel. It's pretty good.
Yo, yeah, he tried this bike and he was amazed. That was fun. Yeah, that guy, he basically wants to ride behind this bike, but he is too heavy, and you know, the front is going up. So I asked him, if you want, you can drive and I will sit there. And that's what we did. And we drive like maybe, yeah, that's a little long. I forgot to ask the name. Actually, I don't know the name. Yeah, I didn't ask. Not a good way to be friendly. Looks like something beautiful is waiting for me on that side. There's actually nothing much, just a grassland. And look at that. You will notice that there are still many house construction going on in here. Yeah, you see that? A lot of people, 2, 4, 6, 8 people are constructing the building. Nice. I reached this place. The name of the place is Deception Bay. Yeah, they have a shopping mall here. I don't know exactly the name of the shopping mall, but it's like this. And like a car dealer shop. And you know, we are going on that side because there is like a beach. Okay, I got it. The name is Rothwell Central. They have a Starbucks here. You know, here in Australia, Starbucks is not really a big thing, because you know, there are some independent coffee shop that are, yeah, they are exist, and yeah, they are making money very well. Yeah, I read in one of the articles that there are more than like, yeah, there's so many Starbucks before here in Australia, but most of them close for some reason. I don't know exactly. Yeah, slow business for them. This is the sea, the beach area. You know, this area is closer to the beach than the Brisbane CBD. I am not sure if this is really a beach or just walking area. Maybe the water is not swimmable, but we're going to see that. Oh, it is low tide, and you see, it is like this. Yeah, low tide, no water. There are some people there. They are taking some bait, seafood that they can use for as a bait when they fishing. This walking area is nice. Looks very peaceful. Of the world, and we will be fighting. Good evening. Thank you. Whenever I see beautiful things like this unexpectedly, I consider it as a surprise. I consider it as a rewards. You know, after a long bike, tired, and you see beautiful place like this, that's amazing. This is not a swimmable area. Even if there is water in here, it's not good to swim. But I think on that side, if you go there, you maybe can swim. Okay, so I just came from the toilet. I think that's it for today here in Deception Bay. We're not going any farther. Yeah, this is the view in here. Yeah, I think this is just a lake. There is another town on that side, if I'm not mistaken. That's the Red Cliff. That far area. Look at this. There is this thing here. There are some small fish. They will survive. Okay, yeah, we got to the bridge. It means that I recovered the right way to get to to get to the cabin. Bravo, I am in the right way, mate.